Nice and beautiful, guys. Anyway, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. I'm going to make a, you know, if you have like beef sachets or any vegetable sachets, any kind of sachets you have at home, I'm going to make a tomato sauce. And you can put the sachets inside of it. This can be served with mashed potato. A lot more different kind of things it can be served with, but I'm going to give you the recipe how you can do this at home. Look at this. Empty frying pan. Alright. I'm going to spray it like this with my healthy oil. Oh, my healthy oil is going down. Alright. Lovely. So what we're going to do next is turn on my stove a little bit. Medium size white onion. That's the white onion. Lovely. That's the garlic. What we're going to do, we're going to put a tin of plum tomato. I don't have the chopped one, I'm using the plum one. Doesn't make no difference because it's still got the mashed up inside of it. But I think the chopped one is a little bit much better. I'm gonna be using 2 tin. Here it is, another tin, just to make you guys see. Lovely. Look at that. That is amazing. So all I have to do is just break it up, you know. Gonna make a lovely sauce. Alright, normally I would be using reduced in ketchup, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna use this what I have. Sometimes I have to just rinse out all the bucket of the ketchup. What do you call that? Yardman style? I don't know. Alright, then pour it straight inside of it. Rinse out the bucket, you know? Don't waste it. Little bit of mixed herb. This is garlic and tomato, the dry one. I love it. Just a little bit of pepper. Little bit of all-purpose seasoning. That is looking fantastic. What we're gonna do is put a Maggi cube. You know what is Maggi cube? Yeah. This is Maggi cube. This little thing right here. That's Maggi cube. You can get that in a local shop or supermarket to buy. Lovely. You don't need to put no sugar because of the ketchup will, you know what I mean? If you want to add more ketchup, you can always add any more ingredients as it just tastes as it goes along. So just gonna make this cook down and reduce to a lovely sauce. Alright, medium size heat, allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes at least. This is fantastic. This is the sauce. Look at that. Beautiful. What we're gonna do is use some of Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Alright. About half teaspoon. That's it. Look at the natural blending season. Lovely. Just mix it up inside of it. Kick in a lovely flavor to it. Alright guys, now what we're going to do is add that lovely sausages. Here it is. I roast them off inside of the oven. You can use it a beef, pork, lamb, whatever you like to use. Beautiful. See that? That is fantastic. Give it a taste. It's amazing. And you have a nice kick with the natural blending season. Beautiful. That is beautiful. So give it 5 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. Lovely and nice. So basically this is ready. I don't need to go any further with it, and 100% I know you guys will love this. This is amazing recipe. And not only that, please follow me on Instagram and my Facebook like page, and also Twitter. Follow me and get a lot more ideas and recipe. You guys can make this at home for the kids them for this winter which is coming. Proper winter food. This can be served with mashed potato. Come out lovely and nice. So enjoy it.